Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shubhangi. Today I am going to make this beautiful little earring set that you can wear in any occasion like in party or with your casual wear in festival, etc. So let's get started. So the things that you need are toothpick, earbud and a pencil. Friends, I have also used some other instruments like this plier for bending the wire, for making twists on the wire. I have also used this cutter. This cutter is used for cutting the wire and it has sharp ends, so be careful while using it. And the other things that are required are 2-inch MDF cutout, this U-shape hook for attaching to the earring, and this ring which unfortunately was very small, but you can use a slightly bigger ring like this. This small wire which I don't know the name exactly, that I'll use it later. I'm using stencil here to locate the center. You can do it freehand as well. So with a marking pencil I'll mark the center. So I'm starting with the center. I'm using lemon yellow color of Fevicryl brand. What I'll do, I'll dip this pencil, the flat round end of the pencil, to my paint, and then I'll make two big dots. Since I'm using this toothpick, I'll dip my toothpick to orange color and then I'll make a cross shape structure and then I'll fill it with small tiny dots in between these dots. Try to make these dots as small as possible and as close as possible as well. Friends, I want to give you a tip that if you are working on something, two things similar, for example these earrings, try to make every step together. You can do one earring at a time, but in my experience the two earring become very similar if you work every step together. Now I am continuing with the second row. I am using crimson color or red color of Fevicryl brand. I am making dots in between the two dots of the first row. So every time I have to dip this toothpick to the paint and then make these dots. For the third row, I am again using the same toothpick. I am making slightly bigger dot than the previous row and making the dot in between the two dots of the previous row. I am using green color from Fevicryl brand. Similarly, dot the second earring. Friends, for the fourth row I am using cerulean blue color of Fevicryl brand. I am using the same toothpick for making slightly bigger dot than the previous row. For the next row I am using pearl pink color, using the same toothpick here, making slightly bigger dot than before. Similarly, dot the other earring. Now I am making the next row with the other end of the toothpick because we wanted to make slightly bigger dot. So I am using orange color of Fevicryl brand here. Friends, I am using this Q-tip or earbud. I am dipping it into the paint and slightly making it round in shape. This will help this Q-tip to make better round dots. I'm using white color of Fevicryl brand here. Similarly, I'll do with the other earring as well. Friends, now I'll be making 2 tiny dots with the toothpick. I'm using orange color. I'm making these dots between these white bigger dots, one above and one below them. Friends, I want to thank you for giving so much love to my videos. I have recently started making these videos and I'm still learning, so let me know what do you think about my artwork, and also help me improving these videos by giving your feedback in the comment section. Now it's time for the top dots. I'm using ultramarine blue color for making top dot. I'm using the other end of the flatter end of the toothpick. I'm doing it on the white dots. So it's done, the artwork part is done, and it looks really cute and gorgeous. It's multi-colored, you can wear it with any outfit. And let's start with this making the hook part. So friends, we have a small hole here, and I have just realized that the distance between the hole and the periphery is slightly bigger than the small ring that we have. So what I'm doing, I'm just making a small ring like structure with this straight wire that I have. You can do it with the plier. It's very easy. It looks tough, but it's not that tough. So I've just made a small circle. So I have already inserted the loop into this circle that I'm making, and now I'm inserting it to the small hole in the MDF cutout, and I am just fixing it up with a cutter and plier. So friends, I'm done with this first earring, and now I'll do the second earring as well. Friends, if you think this is quite tough for you to make this ring, then you can just find a ring with approximately like 4 mm or 5 mm diameter. Friends, also paint the other side of the earring with black color using a brush before inserting this hook. So friends, I am done with this earring, and let me know in the comment section what do you think about it. Please do subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up if you like my artwork, and it means a lot to me whenever you comment below the videos. Have a really nice day. Stay healthy, happy, and see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.